All right, good Saturday afternoon to you. What you're about to see is the inside control panels of the Beetlebus Command Center rocket ship. And so this is a very rare special video edition that reveals the insides of the command center at the Beetlebus helm. All right, so as promised, here's a limited, very rare view of the command center in the Beetlebus, the captain seat, the co-captain seat, and then all of your instruments, and of course the gear shift. All right, there we go. A quick peek into the control panel capsule cockpit of the Beetlebus Command Center.